Hello everyone. Welcome back to Bifumbo's channel. Sangmo lola dash dile kamsang. Ingi ngindong di ani nursing sawa junge yora. Tanda menshap nang la ta lobchong che che do ta junge sawa din zu che do yin. Kunzu ingal tanda bodo message pe mangbu tangsha. Ani nga ta kunzu la reply do mixe kyo yo te do rai min do ramaso. Ani tiwa mangche ani entrance exam da ani ende khalore ikse khande dolli re ende doge cha thidishya ani ondigi da kunzula district rokwa pen thoya chidan ngi nyindong disyo ai ani nyindong dinga inge na swen khala na phepa jipu mari gyaga mangbu be ngala ani message mangbu pe lesha an dinde de nga jo nga inge nang la situationan changmal pen tho re samsia ondi ge ni inge na swe ani changmal pen tho re wa yo nyindong dira an dizu mangu ma ga ne nga jo go nga di nyindong de go swe so hi guys, hi everybody, hi applicants, hi everybody who is trying to get admission in St. John's College of Nursing. I am like so overwhelmed with all your DM messages and the comments in YouTube. It's like bunch of questions and I'm really sorry I haven't responded to most of you because all the questions are same, like whatever the queries you have, it's same. So I thought it's better to instead of responding to each one of you, I thought it's better to make a video out of it and help you guys. So today I'm here to help you guys with your entrance exam, and I hope that this video will help you guys with your entrance exam and your interviews. So you can thank me later. Firstly, I'm going to tell about general nursing, what they should expect in their interviews, and then I'll come to basic B.Sc nursing. Okay, so for those of you who are applying for general nursing, what you can expect is that you're gonna get a phone call. Okay, it's gonna be a phone call interview. Probably it's gonna be the principal or the vice principal calling you, so just be careful and talk nicely. So yeah, they're gonna ring you up and then they're gonna say that okay, interview for your college of nursing, and so they're gonna really ask you, tell me something about yourself, and questions like okay, so why did you choose nursing, and why St. John's College of Nursing, why not other colleges? Okay, so how did you hear about St. John's College of Nursing? Or do you have any relatives or any siblings who studied in St. John's College of Nursing? All these questions, like really simple questions, will be asked in your phone call interview. So all you have to do is that it's a benefit that it's a phone call interview because no one's going to see you and observe your expression or anything. So just anyway, when you are speaking, just be confident, be fluent in your English. Sometimes you get nervous and you kind of not able to speak, but then that's the only moment and you just have to do it. Okay, so just speak with confidence and just be fluent. Try to be fluent if you are not, and just for that very few minutes, just try to be confident and try to be really fluent in your English. Okay, and you're gonna be fine. So general nursing interviews are actually really simple, and they have got 100 seats, and I'm pretty much sure that for general nursing you don't have to be much worried because you will eventually end up getting the seat. Okay, so yeah, obviously just be confident and speak out well. So that's all about general nursing. So yes, coming to the basic nursing, which is kind of like horrendous sometimes because people been saying that it's tough. Yeah, I know. I can understand the pressure you all are getting because I know that there is only 100 seats and there are like 1,000 plus applicants. So everyone is nervous, everyone is trying to get their seat, and everyone is trying to get admission, right? So let's talk all this later and we'll jump directly to the questions. So what I did is I just googled St. John's College of Nursing, the website, and then I have found out that they have already shared some of the frequently asked questions PDF where they have written what you should be expecting in your exam, your entrance exam, and what you should be expecting for your interviews. I don't know how you guys didn't find out that, because when I searched, I got the link, whereas many of you been asking the same questions. Okay, so anyway, I'm here to help. So the question you're going to get in your entrance exam, the pattern is going to be a multiple choice questions, which gives the benefit that you can actually answer it really well because it's multiple choice question. Okay, and secondly, the syllabus for the entrance exam is physics, chemistry, biology, English, and aptitude test. So the aptitude test is nothing but a general knowledge overall. Okay, so I've given the same exam when I actually entered for College of Nursing here in St. John's. Over the years, it's been the same pattern. Okay, maybe probably due to COVID, they just changed it to just phone call and just merit based. Otherwise, it has always been the entrance exam. It's going to be physics, chemistry, biology from 11th and 12th standard, which is not going to be so deep, so you shouldn't be worried. It's really going to be superficial, and I'm pretty much sure that you have cleared your science exam, and obviously you do have this much brain. You should be confident that you do have this much brain to at least answer those, because it's going to be really really simple. Okay, I did ask few of my juniors about the questions they have got over the years, but it looks like they don't remember fully, but then they did give me few questions, so not really from the PCB, like physics, chemistry, biology. So they said like 5% of the questions is going to be from physics and chemistry. Okay, and 50% is going to be your biology, and the rest of it the general knowledge, I guess. I am really gonna skip the physics, chemistry, biology questions because I really don't remember what kind of question they asked me, and even the juniors don't remember what kind of questions they've got, but they do remember few of the questions, so which I'm going to share it here. So it's like, when is World TB Day? Who is Florence Nightingale? Because it's related to nursing. And questions like, like general questions like, when is Nurses Day? So all these questions are quite simple, and so you'll be entering to an examination hall. They'll give you papers. You're gonna get a bunch of questions, and the good thing is, what I would suggest is answer every questions, because there is no negative marks. Okay, and secondly, just think and then answer. It's going to be really really simple, and you should calm yourself, relax your mind, and then answer. When you are nervous and when you're answering something, everything's going to be get complicated, and you're gonna forget the real answer. So just calm your mind, relax your body, and then go there, just answer. It doesn't has to be right. So the entrance exam is just that, and I'm telling you guys, it's really really going to be simple. You don't have to refer so many texts, because I've been getting questions like, do I have to refer some question books or something like that? You really don't have to refer any books. To be honest, I have written the exam. I didn't even prepare for the entrance exam. I just went there, I just wrote the exam. And so if I'm being honest, I don't think any of the nursing applicant who over the years, haven't really referred any book for the entrance exam, because there isn't any reference book to say like, or to refer. So all you have to do is that just wait for the entrance exam. Okay, obviously it's good to prepare, but then the questions are really going to be simple, so you do not have to be worried that much. And and it's really going to be simple, and just calm your mind and go to examination hall, and you will find it quite easy, I think. And as I said, answer everything, because there is no negative marks. So try answering everything and don't leave any question behind. Okay, so that's about the entrance exam. So coming to the interview, so for me, I think entrance exam doesn't affect that much. Me personally, I think the College of Nursing doesn't really care much about the entrance exam, but obviously they do care much about the interview. So the main part is the interview. The interview part is much more important than the entrance exam, because people who are gonna come and judge you are going to be a principal, the director, the chief of nursing services, so like the CNS. So all these high profile people are going to come and come to judge for your interviews. That's the moment, you know, you can impress them. Feel like that's the only moment you can impress them and you can get the seat. That's the only chance to impress, and just don't think about entrance for a moment and just only think about the interview part. According to my experience over these years, I would suggest is firstly a good attire, good, like, a neat, proper proper dress or proper churidar. So if you are wearing a churidar, wear with a dupatta. Make sure that you look decent during your interview. Okay, that's number one. And number two is that good expression. You have to have a good expression. Don't be overconfident while you're speaking, but just be okay, like not too overconfident, not low as well, but keep it in the middle and keep impressing them. So the questions you're gonna expect from them, and also, yeah, hand gestures and everything's also comes along the way. So don't be so nervous. Okay, I know it's okay to be nervous, but not okay to be too much nervous. Okay, that makes the difference. So yeah, be confident, and good expression, good attire, and sit well, sit in a proper posture, good hand gesture. That's all I can say at the moment. And the questions you can expect from the interviews are such as, so they'll be like, okay, come in, Teresa, have a seat, and then you sit down with good posture and good expression, obviously. And then they're gonna ask you, okay, can you tell me something about yourself? So you kind of like introduce yourself, where you from, what did you do in the past, all these things you can say. Once you're done, they might ask you like, okay, so why did you choose nursing? And those kind of questions, like, why did you choose nursing? Why St. John's? And do you know who Florence Nightingale is? Do you know what qualities does a nurse need? Like questions such as, so what is the philosophy of your life? What kind of qualities does the nurses should have? Or like, what do you think are the roles and responsibilities of nurses? The questions are really simple, but then I can understand that you guys just finish your plus two and then you don't really have an idea about nursing much. It can be tricky for you guys. So yeah, these questions can be expected. And then they're gonna ask you like, okay, so what kind of medication do you give when when a person when a person has a headache, or when a person has a fever? All these questions, like obviously you're gonna say paracetamol, but for a nurse it's easy that you're gonna say paracetamol. But obviously when you're just finishing your plus two, you don't really know what kind of medications you're giving for a headache or a fever. So these kind of questions can be expected in your interviews. And so they might ask few questions related to nursing, but just think logically and be honest, be transparent about whatever you are saying. Do not try to lie anything about what you don't know. You don't know means you don't know. So don't overtake by saying something rubbish, like you don't know and you try to answer, which is, I know you might feel dumb, but then for me, I think it is better if you be more transparent and honest by saying, can I don't know, I think that can be correct, but I don't really know. Since you're gonna get it, and it's going to be really really simple. So my only advice for you guys is that just be confident, relax your mind, be transparent, be open, and impress the people who are taking interviews for you, and try to like attract them, try to do something that attracts you to the St. John's College of Nursing. Also, you can try to bring out something you have achieved over the years, and they might get impressed. Interview is the most part where you can really really impress them and get a seat, instead of the entrance exam, which you shouldn't be much worried, but just focus on the interview more. And last year it's been strange that even though you have given your best interviews, and you have tried, and you did felt like the interview went well, some people didn't get the seat and they were really disappointed, and they felt like the college has been bit unfair to them. They've been selecting people based on the religion they are in or the caste. So I really don't know what is going on behind all that stuff. I just want you guys to know that St. John's College of Nursing is not the only college of nursing you should be trying. You should try different nursing colleges. It's not, I know it comes under one of the top colleges in Bangalore, but not necessary that you have to only study in St. John's College of Nursing. There are obviously much better and good institution, so you can always go and search other colleges as well, okay? Because it gives kind of like, a stereotype that you should be getting into this college, this is the best, and if you get into this, your future will be great. All these are rubbish, to be honest. If you want to really study, you can study anywhere, and the college, okay, so you might say that the name of the college is good. Obviously the name of the college is good, but then does it really affect later in the future? No, I won't say it, because I'm here in the UK, and then nobody really gives a shit. Okay, sorry about the language. Nobody really gives a shit, obviously. If you have, like, nobody's gonna ask you from which college you studied. They're just gonna see your see if you have completed or not. They don't really give a shit about from which college you have studied. Okay, so but make sure that in India there are colleges which are good, and which are not excellent, but then it's good. Okay, it's good to be in all these. And if you really want to become a nurse, and really want to pursue nursing, the colleges like St. Philomena's, St. Martha's, there are Manipal, all these colleges are really really nice as well. I won't really look down on all these colleges, because all these colleges are also providing the same syllabus and same kind of information what you need. So these colleges are also open, and you can apply for these colleges as well. That's the thing. If you don't get a seat, if you don't get admission in St. John's College of Nursing, don't get disappointed. Don't think low about yourself. It's not your fault that you didn't get the admission, okay? And, try to get admission in other colleges, and you'll be fine, okay? There is no bad or good college of nursing. Everything try to teach their level best, I think. And practice wise might differ, but then obviously when you start working, you will eventually start getting experience. So that's all I'm going to say. Just don't get disappointed if you don't get the seat, and you did your part, so that's it, and move on. Okay, yes, so that's all I want to say, because some people do get really really disappointed, and they don't know to move on. So yeah, that's the advice for the people who really need my support. So I think I have covered most of it, and I hope that this video will help you guys in your entrance exam, which is coming in, I think, 21st June, I guess. So it's really near. So best of luck to you guys, and be confident, stay happy. See you guys, and do not forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much. Bye.